But before you actually leave, do you have any words for your supporters who also
we have shown that we have hope, and we are not going to be intimidated by this mafia type government that only gets its legitimacy from thuggery and violence. And I'm very proud of our people. I'm very proud of Lagosians. I'm very proud of Nigerians, because Lagos is a microcosm of Nigeria. And it's time for a new generation to stand and say, we want a new type of government. You know, so I encourage them to continue. We are with them, we are behind them, and we are ensuring that every way we can support them security-wise, we are doing that.
What's the report that you've been getting from
There's been widespread attempts of voter suppression. Places like in VGC, the polling unit agents are not going into the estates because they want to draw the people out or not have them vote at all. You have situations in Iba. As at now, polling materials have not yet gotten into Iba. You have places like Oshodi, Solo, Agbo Palace Way, Okota. They are using a lot of voter intimidation, chasing people away. In Koshofe, Jepron, the APC thug has chased all Labour people out of the area, you know, but we are on it. We are on it.
Okay, how will you describe the process here, and also the
Anifoshe is a community that they don't try nonsense, right? They don't try nonsense. We vote and our votes count. Anifoshe is a community that they don't try nonsense, right? They don't try nonsense. We vote and our votes count. So I cannot use this word as a benchmark. In what they are chasing people away, right? In Ojudu, you know, and in other parts of Ikeja as well that are more prone to violence.
Okay, are you confident of winning this election? Are you confident of
on that right now?
Am I certain on winning election? We're forming next government of Lagos State. The will of the people is going to prevail. They are going to try, but the will of people will eventually prevail. And your question was?
In the last 2 weeks, you've allowed certain threats on your life. What is the update on that right now?
No, there are threats, but we cannot be afraid. I'm a son of Lagos. My forefathers lived here, right? I'm not going to be intimidated by anybody. And we mean well for the people of Lagos. And it's time for them. You see, everybody that is even carrying out all this violence, when I look at their life in the last 10 years, they are suffering. Most of these people are living in poverty. Their gutters are not there. They cannot send their children to public school. They cannot go to public hospitals. If their wife wants to give birth, for them to find bed is a problem. So you see that a lot of these people, they are not thinking, because they are suffering, but they are still carrying on the government that's making them suffer. They will give them some 10,000 or 15,000 naira or even 100,000 naira. They won't see them again for 4 years. They'll be left doing agbero work. So by God's grace, it's time. All that money that Alpha Beta is taking, we're going to take that money and give it directly to the people, because it's time for the people to enjoy.
So how credible is the Beavers and the IREV?
We are going to know based on the electronic transmission of votes that happens here. We got an injunction to say that a mandamus order that states that INEC must follow its procedures. So if they do not follow any of these procedures, then whatever procedure they do today is null and void.
Okay, if this election didn't turn out the way you want, what is your next line of action?
Well, I will fight it to the end, right? We need a credible election. We do. It's about time, right? How long are we going to hold people as slaves in Lagos State? People deserve a good life, and Lagos has the money for a good life. Lagos has the money to provide enough infrastructure for people not sit down in 3 hours traffic every day. Lagos has the money for our young men to get employment. There's so much unemployment all over Lagos State, and then they use that, their weakness, and use them to be perpetrating evil against their own people.
Now, if this election has been adjudged successful without any form of violence or any form of fraud, how soon do we see you to congratulate the winner?
Well, you see me when I come to collect my certificate of return.
But so far, will you say that the process has been credible?